Hello and welcome to week 5 in psychobiology, or I'm sorry, biopsychology. Either way, same class. So what we're going to be doing this week is we're taking on 2 chapters. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put the lab in. It'll probably be on day 2 at the beginning of the class, and then we'll finish the lecture for the next chapter. If we look at our timeline for this particular week, we see that week 5 consists of 2 classes and there's a lab in between. So the anatomy of the nervous system, talking about gross anatomy, and then looking at auditory and visual reflexes. This will be the first week in which you will be conducting the experiments using the lab stations that I have for you. So I'll be writing up the instructions as to how to set that up, setting up the lab, and you'll be doing the lab to each other. And so rather than me up there doing the lab with you, making your finger shake, you're going to conduct this particular lab. So get ready for that. You're going to be interacting with that software the way I have been showing you a little bit, so that'll be kind of fun. We'll get through the content on Monday. The lab will probably be on Wednesday, and then after the lab, we'll spend some time talking about brain plasticity, which is the next chapter. As we can see here, we see brain plasticity. There are 2 quizzes and 2 assignments. So this is a rather rugged one. So for this particular week, you're going to have to hand in 5 things. You're going to hand in the 2 quizzes, the 2 assignments that go with the chapter, and you're going to be handing in the lab document. Now again, as I discussed in class, I'm not sure if we're going to be handing those in digitally or if I'm just going to produce a form that you're going to fill out, which is what I'm leaning toward, and you'll hand those in to me after the lab and you're done. That'll be it. We're going to do these things together. This one is fun. It's about reaction time to both sound and visual stimuli, going through a number of trials and seeing the speed of the nervous system. And as we make that task more complicated, it takes longer because there's more nerves involved. So, pretty basic lab explaining and demonstrating the speed of your nervous system. So look forward to that, and I will see you folks on Monday.